Y'all are hitting me with some crazy stuff.
Your love, I'm gonna make you mine. There's something special about your love. I think it's one of a kind.
So Reddit number 2 is, ready guys?
It's normal.
I'm for not doing a Christmas gift exchange the way my in-laws are asking. Okay. So my fiance told me my brother-in-law suggested we just get gifts from their mom this year and nobody else exchange gifts to save money. I suggested we do a Secret Santa instead so that everybody gets something. He said no, because their mom has done so much for him and his siblings over the years, so she deserves more than one gift. Well, I agree that their mom is super sweet and deserving. I feel like it will be so weird and take away from the magic of Christmas if we all get gifts for her and get 0 gifts for each other. I think it makes more sense for everyone to get one gift, i.e. Secret Santa or White Elephant, or just collectively agree to not exchange.
White Elephant?
I don't know that one. I gotta Google that.
Is that what the elf on the shelf like rides in to get on your shelf? Or like, what is that? Y'all are hitting me with some crazy stuff. This elf on the shelf thing came out of nowhere. The other day I saw this like face on the Christmas tree thing. That was super creepy.
I've seen a Grinch Christmas tree. That was kind of cool, like the face on the Christmas tree, or like the elf legs coming out of the Christmas tree. Or like
Whoa,
Santa legs.
I don't like that at all. That sounds like something out of a horror movie. And then the legs like hit the floor and the tree comes out, and it's really someone who's been there the whole time.
That runs out the house with the gifts.
I don't know what the hell's going on in that movie, but
or just collectively agree to not exchange gifts if people want to save money. We went around in circles until it was went out.
I went back and forth on this one. So.
We went around in circles until it was starting to become an argument, and I just dropped it. But I seriously think the idea is weird. Am I?
Wow, this one is tough to me.
Yeah.
You guys comment and let me know.
Comment below now. Tell us what
Lisa,
you think.
You go first.
I'm gonna go first. And I said, right?
Yes or no?
You know,
are they in it?
I don't think so. I think she gave a really good point. Let's do a Secret Santa. Maybe if you guys even want to do it, maybe throw in her name more than once, and then tell people to pick 2 names out of the bunch, and just do like a $30 maximum for both gifts or something. Dan and I, we pick up the stocking stuffers that are literally like $5, but we do like 10 of them at times, and we have multiple stockings in the house. So you can do that. You could get gifts for the mom, but make it that everybody is involved, and especially for the partners of the children, it can be a little weird where we're like, so where's my gift, So I really think that she made a good point. Let me look up this white elephant thing, because that's gonna make you confused me, because white elephant might be something weird. A white elephant gift exchange, Yankee swap, or Dirty Santa. Those are other names for it? What? Is a party game where amusing and impractical gifts are exchanged during festivities. Oh, okay, I guess like Bob, Ross, like Chia Pet. So like,
I thought that was just like gag gifts.
Yeah, gag. Yeah, okay, so that's what it is. Gag gifts. That's the proper word.
I don't like the Yankee swap thing. That sounds very
Dirty Santa sounds weird too. And there's rules to it too. This is serious.
Do I get $200 if I let free parking? To everyone that got that Monopoly joke, cheers.
But yeah, I definitely don't believe that she's being on the situation. I feel like there's really no debate in it. But why the brother-in-law was so, I don't want to call him, but I think he was being to be like so like, no, for sure, all
right. So I will say, wait, finish. I want you to finish.
Yeah, like I feel like
anyway.
The brother-in-law is, like, is there a reason why you?
So this was the brother-in-law, not her husband argument.
No, her future brother-in-law, really.
Yeah.
In technical standards.
Okay, yeah, but
so it's also like she
not
doesn't.
her person's brother.
Yeah, I appreciate her kind of just being like, oh well, argument was done. I'm not gonna argue about it, but it was still like like, why can't we just do that? Alright,
I feel like here's the issue, right? I think the brother-in-law is definitely kind of being an a-hole in a situation, but I'm really torn on it because here's my problem, right? I feel like in these questions, is being the a-hole always a bad thing?
Oh no, definitely not. There could definitely be reasons why you should be. You like, yeah, I gotta be.
Because like sometimes you just gotta play that. What is it, Dennis Leary?
Okay, let me tell you something. Let me tell you.
Not Dennis Leary.
Let me tell you something. So maybe let's say I'm gonna like because you know I'm in.
It's like a white, like Irish comedian.
Dennis Leary.
It is Dennis Leary. Damn, I'm pretty good at this.
Never heard this song. But
I'll play
okay,
it for you.
Let's say in this magical scenario, right? The brother-in-law's like, I don't want to get anybody a gift except mama, right? Because I want to propose to my girlfriend that same night, and I can't explain that to you because you're gonna open your mouth and like, oh, it's not gonna be a surprise. Like maybe there's a reason behind it.
I feel like you had to stretch way too far. Like that was like a Dalzim like yoga downward dog 3 stretch for
or
you.
maybe he's gonna send his mom on a cruise of her lifetime. This is something she always wanted, and he's like, I don't.
What
I
I got
want.
to do with my $10 bar of soap for her?
I don't know. Yeah, I don't know.
So here's my problem, right? Like I feel like
I am trying, guys.
I feel like just play the Dennis Leary, you know, just start up the music.
Maybe they're right when they tell me I'm wrong.
And yes, I'm gonna go with yes, you are the a-hole. And I'm gonna tell you why.
She is? Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna tell you why.
Oh.
It's not necessarily a bad thing.
Okay.
I think your insistence on like not letting go the ridiculous nature of the situation. Yes, but like she's like, okay, so here's my problem. I feel like the amicable conclusion is a compromise where you do both, where everybody gets grandma a gift, because grandma sounds like she's supposed to, what is it called, the patriarch, the matriarch of the family, right? She's that person, right? So like you can't fight that. Like you cannot fight that. Like it is what it is.
So are you saying get her the gifts and then buy everybody else a gift? Just
yeah, it doesn't have to be a super. It can be a compromise where
that's not
everybody. No, it's still, you're still gonna do a Secret Santa, but everybody has Secret Santa plus grandma. So like you don't have to get grandma like a super expensive gift, you know what I mean? But you get like a really nice, like we just went to like Home Goods Marshalls, you buy like that really nice Monopoly board for your brother-in-law, and grandma gets one of them like sauna socks or whatever. So grandma ends up with like 10 gifts if there's 10 of you there, but everybody else ends up with one gift from each other, bam bam bam, back and forth.
Well, that's what she's suggesting, but they don't want to do that at all, or like something like
I didn't get that. I thought you said she wanted to do Secret Santa where everybody went fairly across, where like she wasn't, where the matriarch wasn't.
So definitely, Dennis is saying something different. So he's saying like everybody
get grandma a gift.
Everybody still sticks to that plan.
And then you do the Secret Santa.
Then, but you alone do it?
What do you mean you alone? No, everybody gets grandma a gift in addition to your Secret Santa. You just lower the budget on whatever the gift was going to be.
So he's saying he poor, he can't figure that out. He can't do that. He's like, I only want to spend money on one gift from my mama.
So why he can't be the only person that don't do the Secret Santa?
That's what I was like. Yeah, he could just be eliminated from this Secret Santa situation.
Be in the
Still buy you could buy somebody a gift. You buy mama a gift, but like if you don't want to put your name in the pot, then it is what it is.
Of course, fam. There's dollar stores. There's Dollar General, Family Dollar, Five Below. Like yo, fam, you could find you could pull.
Trust me.
You could get a gift for somebody.
So if I'm gonna call anybody a hole, it's gonna be the brother-in-law.
It's definitely the brother-in-law, but I'm saying why I'm riding with her is just the insistence beyond the nonsense. Sometimes
I disagree.
Don't hold on.
I
know you do, but I'm telling you what I think. I had to go with saying that she is because unfortunately the way I see it is you either get them to agree to the compromise or you just charge it to the game. If that's what they want to do, you go home with your family, and in your family you do it the right way, but you can't control in-laws, fam. Like it is what it is. Like don't put gray hairs on your head like trying to get them to do the right thing because it's the waste of time. I forgot what movie, and funny enough Dennis Leary is in the movie that I'm talking about where they're like, it's like it's a Christmas movie, like they're like having marital problems and like he's broken into their house to like It's a really old movie. And like he broke in their house to like either rob
I'm
them or
looking
something.
this up, guys. I'm wasting time looking this up.
It's not War of the Roses, man. It's gonna drive me nuts. It's Homeboy that got canceled and somebody else, and they're the dude from House of Cards. I think he's the husband, and then the wife is somebody else. I can't remember her name. The fact that I remember both of those two people is crazy as it is. Cheers and a Christmas movie. You're welcome. Merry holidays.
So it has Dennis Leary, Judy Davis, and Kevin Spacey.
Merry holidays.
1994, The Ref.
But yeah, so in the movie, they're like this really dysfunctional couple that like should be like almost on the point of like filing for divorce.
But they don't.
And he like they have like this crazy night where like on like Christmas Eve or like something.
Are you gonna
he
tell
decides
that's the whole thing?
No, I'm just
spoiler alert, guys.
No spoilers. He like breaks in and then like comedy ensues from there. But like it has all the complications that we were talking about in that.
All right, so yeah, so we're gonna settle that, and we're gonna just disagree on that one.
I am saying, listen to me, and I'm saying this with the best of intentions. You're the a-hole to yourself by wasting the energy to like try to fight to do the right thing in that situation, because you can't change people from who they are. So like, don't waste your time. Don't gray up your head. At some point, let them be who they are.
Especially being the fact that you are just coming into this family, as in like just coming as like you could have been in a relationship for 10, 15 years.
Married yet?
But you're not married yet.
It ain't even worth it.
Don't even, start that whole drama. All right, guys. And we have another Reddit coming of Honor BS episodes.
Love, I think it's one of a kind. There's something special about your